pretty lipstick.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up.
Hi, welcome to the Riley and Gena show. Today we have a lot of makeup. I'm going to be doing my makeup and then my sister's makeup and then my mom's makeup. It might be a long video, so let's get started. I don't know what I should first use, so I'm going to use the blush. No, actually, I know what I'm going to use. I'm going to use my lip liner. It is so under the sea. Do you want me to help you with the lip liner? It's okay, God. Okay, you're doing a really good job, Gena. Just keep going. Just keep going. Now, time for my favorite lipstick. Show it to everybody. Pretty lipstick. I need to be bright. Bright.
Get one of those.
Gena, just get one of those.
No, she good.
You look amazing, girl. Now I'm gonna roll this down. Put the top on. Okay, what's next, Gena? Probably is going to be my face with the brushes. Actually, I'm gonna do the blush. It's pinkish. Actually, I'm gonna use a brush instead of one of these. My big brush. It has like pink on the top. Furry. Okay, right now I'm just putting in this blush, just circling it. And you might not see it because the top is already quite pink, so we're just gonna try to rub it as hard as we can. I think that's enough. Your makeup looks really pretty. I wonder what I should use next. Maybe a little more lipstick to use to shine it.
Gloss.
Little gloss. Yeah. That makes her lips poppin'. Or this nail polish. That's not nail polish, Gena. That's for your lips. Gena. What? What about I do my makeup? You can do your makeup. I'm just gonna try to do this lip liner.
Okay, you're still on the phone. Make sure you're on the phone too, Riley. You can look in the mirror, but make sure they can see you.
Now, next, I'm going to use, I don't know what I see. Eyeshadow, I think. Should I use glittery? I think I'm gonna use glittery. And with my big brush. Well, there's already a little brush in here. I don't really need it. That's a pretty. I'm gonna use gold. Now it's time for my favorite lipstick. It's a light pink, well, kind of dark pink, light pink. It's my favorite lipstick.
Roll it down a little bit, Riley, so it don't break. Y'all only gotta push it up a little bit.
I like it. I'm having the gold, like with this brush, it might like stain the brush. I don't know if it'll stain the brush. These lips looking so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put this top back on, which broke when I first opened it. I don't know why they didn't do it so good. Okay, next I'm gonna do some blush. Next, I'm going to do. Oh my God! I got earrings in. Ready? Can you help me? Can you help me? I think that's a little bit too much. My lips are really, really blushy. Next, I'm just gonna use like a little bit more to be like, let me see. I'm just gonna like put it like on the like that. Like that, and then put the top back on. There we go. I'm going to use these on my plain nails. Then I use these little cute stars. Oh, it got stuck in my nail. It got stuck in my nail. Yeah. It got stuck in my nail. Ooh, ooh. It got stuck in my nail. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take it back. Okay. I'm gonna put these stickers on. I think this is looking good so far. This is a lot of pink. Okay. This is some pink glittery eyeshadow.
Now you done finish your video showing them the room. So you gotta do that when you get done.
Riley! What? You're using so much. Sorry. You use a lot. No, I didn't even use that much. Little nail polish. It is very, very cute. Okay, now I'm gonna start painting my nails. Ooh, chicken bok, chicken bok, chicken bok, 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 chicken bok, chicken bok, chicken bok, bok, bok. Just painting my nails here. Okay, so this is what I have. This is a lot of makeup right here. Now, I'm going to get a little handy dandy brush. What should I use first, Gina? Waiting for these things to dry. Okay, I'm going to put a little purple eyeshadow. For my pink eyeshadow. I think I'm going to use a little bit of this. And now it's time for the nail polish. Using this on my lips. Okay, girl. That you can put that there, put that there. I got my makeup done. So this is like a filer. I really do need that for my nails. They are really sharp. Okay, guys, how do you like my nails? Put this cute necklace on. That will not fit. I don't know.
That was the end of my makeup